Hello everyone, this is Marjorie and welcome to my channel, Jetersblessings. Today's video is going to be an Easter grapevine wreath with a sign that is, He is Risen. Now I've got these beautiful purple flowers that I got from Walmart actually in a bouquet, and I just already trimmed them down. Those pink ranuncles, I think that's how you say it, those were from Walmart. And I got some of I think it was the little white flowers. I think that was from the Dollar Tree. And some of these green eucalyptus leaves, that was from Walmart also. So here I'm just separating the flowers just to see how many of each I have. And I just start off with my big, I think they're supposed to be roses. Very beautiful colors. Now I just stick them in anywhere. I typically don't use hot glue. I go, not when I'm putting them in, but I go on the back and I add some hot glue, and I don't show that, but I do that. Sorry that not all the wreath is in the frame, but I'm just kind of going back and forth, going each side. Now, you'll see what I did not do is I didn't actually mix the pink and the purples. You can if you want. I don't know. I just didn't. I kind of liked how it turned out. But I did basically get a lot of the purples in one area, and then I think I do put a few maybe here and there, but they're most of the pink ones, but they're mostly at the end. I do mix the white flowers in between everything. So, and those ranuncles, I'm sorry guys, forgive me if I'm saying it wrong, but yeah, those typically had 2 per stem, and I think there was one or two that had like 3 per stem. So this was a very nice wreath. I like how it turns out because it's really full. And so I'm just trying to make the top and the bottom where the flowers are somewhat symmetrical. Not really. I mean, I typically try to make it as best I can. And then but I actually started off with the flowers first this time, and then I had added in the greenery last because I didn't have as much greenery. So I just thought I would use it basically as the filler in the spaces. So I'm actually going to let you just watch me add some of the flower in and attach the sign, and then I'll come back to the bow. So here I have this 1.5-inch wired ribbon from Craft Outlet, and it's got these really pretty pink flowers on it, which I thought would be great to go with the pink flowers on the sign and stuff. So I just made a small middle loop, and then I'm making several different loops, making sure that I twist the pretty pattern on the outside every time I make a loop. Now I started off with smaller loops, and then I made sure that my larger loops were in the back. I don't make this bow as full as I normally do, just because it's going on a grapevine wreath, and it's kind of full, but if you've seen any of my wreaths, it's not as full as what I normally do. Plus it's 1.5 inch. I want to say maybe there's 8 to 10 loops on there, and then I just trim some extra length for the tails. Sorry, I had to cut out on that. My back was just killing me, so I had to take a break. So my last big loop I make is what's going to be the tails, and I take my pipe cleaner and I put it right through the middle of that middle small loop, and I hold everything tight, pinch it together, and make sure I twist the bow really tight. So then here I just take and I cut my tails at an angle, easy as can be. And it's all basically a one-piece flow. You don't have to worry about making any additional cuts or anything like that. So here all I'm doing is I'm feeding the pipe cleaner through the grapevine wreath and just making sure I attach it very tightly. And then I'm just fluffing up the the loops, and I'm going to curl the tails. So I just curl it up on itself and then just find the end, and it gives it that pretty little springy look to it. And I really like those on these grapevine wreaths. So this is the final outcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making this for you. I absolutely love how this came out. If you will, just leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you for stopping by, and I appreciate all of your support. Have a blessed day.